Hi everyone, welcome to Tech My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post moments on WeChat. So let's jump right in. First, open the WeChat app on your device. Go to the Discover section. Tap on the Moments option from the top of the list. Now, tap on the camera icon from the top right corner of your screen. Here you have two options, camera and choose from gallery. If you want to take a photo or video and add it directly to your moments, tap on the camera option. Or, if you want to choose a photo or video from your album, tap on the choose from album option. After selecting your appropriate option, choose the photo or video you want to post on your moments. Once you have selected your photo or video, tap on the Done button located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can add caption, location or mention your friends by tagging them. Finally, when you are ready, tap on the Post option in the top right corner of your screen. And that's it. This is how you can post moments on WeChat. Thank you for watching Tech My Life. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.